welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to draft that senator style in that pocket that is found in the thumbnail. Before we go to the drafting, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on subscribe. It is absolutely free. It won't take a dime from you. Also, click on the notification bell. Whenever I drop a new video, it will notify you instantly. We drop videos every week. Okay, feel free to visit our channel every week and click on the like button. It encourages me more. Share this same post with your friends on social media, any of the social media platforms, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, so that others can also benefit. Without further ado, let's go straight to the drafting. We are going to produce a long design. In that design, what we need to do, the width of the design is 2.5. Okay, the length will be as long as the top. That's the length of the top of your fabric, the length of the top of your shirt, okay, of that top. Okay, the length itself is also the length of this piece. Okay, so what we're going to do is this is 2.5. Okay, 2.5, as you can see. The next thing is when we fold this, we'll fold this way. Okay, take it to the iron and you fold. At the end, your width, the width we are looking for should be 1/4, like this. 1/4, 1/4, like this. Okay, so all right, you fold this way and you fold this way. Note at the end of your folding, your inch, okay, your inch should be 1/4 all through. That should be the width, 1/4 all through down. Okay, when I'm through pressing it with my pressing iron, I'll show you. As you can see, I'm through folding it. Like I said, it is 1/4. If you want a neat finishing, please insert hemming gum here. Insert hemming gum and just make sure after inserting the hemming gum, you place it on top of the front piece of the fabric you're about to design. Okay, in that slant manner. I'll show it to you. This is the front part of my senator wear. Already I've sewn the back and the front together. Right? I just want to change the design, okay, to this particular design in this tutorial. Okay, that is why my front, the front side and the back side are joined together. Okay, I just separated the side so that I can insert this design into this shirt. So what we need to do is this. Okay, you see this part, because the way you see the design looks as if the person is wearing a bag. That's how the design looks like. Okay, so what we need to do, I need to pass from your shoulder, and so here what I'll do is this. I'll remove this invisible. Okay, I'll remove this invisible. I'll place it inside, then sew the invisible so that this fabric can be inside. Then what we need to do is this. Just slant it, okay, from that shoulder part that I showed you. Slant it to touch the side, okay, this side, okay, where your stitch for your side will stop. Okay, so just slant it that way. Okay, place it and slant it, and what you can do as well, you can also place a gum stay, or rather a hem stay. Place a hem stay inside this, between the front piece and this. Place it, okay, and then you gum it. That's the next step. Place it and gum it. Okay, then I'll show you the pocket, how to place the pocket on top of this front side of your fabric. Right, when I'm through, I'll show you. So look at what I did. Okay, I noticed that removing these inserted into the armor directly, and I made it slant to stop at the hem. And so what I will do is I will insert this hemming gum into it, in between this front fabric and this. Okay, and then I'll take it to the iron to iron it. When I'm through, I'll show you. To produce the pocket, okay, you can decide to put any pocket. Like I said, you are the designer, and so the preference of your pocket depends on you. Okay, unless your client wants the particular one that is in the picture. Okay, so you can put any style of pocket there, and so I'll just put a normal pocket style. And so what we need to do is here you can see I weaved the edge of this. Okay, and so what I just need to do is I'll fold 1 inch inside. I'll fold 1 inch inside. After folding 1 inch inside, I'll fold half here. I'll fold half here, and also I'll fold the down. Okay, once I'm through, I'll show it to you. All right, so this is the cover of a pocket cover. And so what we need to do is the width of this is the width of the pocket. Okay, it is 6.5, and so I measured more than 6.5 for the pocket cover, more than 6.5. And then what I did is I stitched 6.5 exactly, as you can see here. Stitch 6.5. I stitched it down here. I stitched it down here. What I did is that I placed a paper stay. This is a paper stay, and so then I folded the fabric into two. You can see I folded it. This is, you can see the folded part, and this is the open part. I folded it into two. I stitched here. The difference between this stitch and this stitch is 6.5. And so what we need to do, you turn it to the other side. You are interested in the other part of it. So what you just need to do, take it to the iron and iron it. Okay, I'm through. I'll show you. I'm through ironing it. So what we just need to do is back to the front side. Okay, front side of the top. Look at it. So this is the front side. As you can see, I've ironed this design. I've ironed it and glued it with the aid of hemming gum. Okay, slanting it. And so what we need to do is, since this is the front side, okay, the pocket, our pocket will be found at the middle. This is the middle. This is the front side of the pocket. This is the downside of the pocket. And so what you just need to do is you measure the distance from here to here should be the distance from here to there. Okay, so let's look at it and make sure this is found at it is placed in the middle part. So find the middle part of this and place it. Okay, so from here to here it is 2 3/4, but here it is 2.5. So we have to balance it. Here it is 2.25. Here it is 3. So we have to balance it. Your work must be neat, accurate, and perfect. Okay, this is 2.5, and this is 2.5. So this satisfies. And so before you take this to the machine, you can actually pin. Okay, you pin this down, you pin this down. Right. Don't forget, after putting a hem stay here, you can run a stitch at the end, run a sharp stitch at the end, run a sharp stitch at the other end of it down. Okay, make sure you run a stitch, you top stitch it, okay, to make it stay more. And then this as well, what you need to do, pin it, put a pin, and then you stitch from here to here, here to here. All right, I'll go to my machine and do that immediately. I'll show it to you. As you can see, I'm through. All you just need to do, just put the cover pocket here. All right, then stitch here. Make sure you stitch here, and then at the end, we won't be opening the pocket. It's just a design. You can just put a button here, insert a button here, just an ordinary button, just for fancy sake. All right. If this my video has been of a help to you, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up by clicking on the like button. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to alert you whenever I drop a new video. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, right? And share this video to your friends via Facebook, via TikTok, via WhatsApp, any of the social media platform. And thank you very much. See you in our next video. Bye bye.